Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you ready to go from scratched up cutting boards that are super stained no matter how much that you scrub them? Well, that's how I felt, which is why I found these scratch resistant cutting boards from Blue GINKGO. For one thing, I love that they're a chopping mat and they fit in my cabinet with no problem. I also love the colors. I feel like they're gonna be really great for resisting stains. And the best part about them has been how they are scratch resistant. I've tested them out with serrated knives. I've tested them with chopping knives and then scrubbed them with my sponge, and I've had absolutely no problems. As you can see from close up, you just wash them after you're done and they're proving to be great. I've been using them for 2 weeks, and the best test I think was cutting up a pineapple, because you know the pineapple could scrape a cutting board as well as the knives, and they have held up. So again, just really happy with these chopping boards, and that is my point of view.